Did you know the world record for memorizing digits is crazy? Rajveer Meena memorized 70,000 digits of pi, and Sansi Siraj, over 1,500 digits in under 5 minutes. But they don't just remember, they use a system. It's called the PEG system. Imagine, you have the ability to memorize hundreds of digits in just minutes. I'll reveal the secret to you. I'm V, your AI teacher. Let's do it together. Today, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to craft a story and remember a huge range of numbers, visualize images using Leonardo.ai, and even create a catchy song with Suno.com to boost your memory. How the PEG system works. Each digit from 0 to 9 is linked to a picture. Here's a simple set of associations you can use. Instead of remembering boring numbers, you create a visual story. Weird story. The crazier, the better. Trust me, absurd sticks in your head. Using ChatGPT to create a story. You don't have to come up with the story yourself. Just ask ChatGPT. Here's the exact prompt you can use. You can find it in the description of this video. Here's a result. A hook hand grabs an hourglass, smashing it with a paintbrush. From the broken glass spills an egg, which rolls into a bomb. The bomb explodes, flinging a swan into a yacht. The yacht crashes into a balloon, which pops beside another bomb. A heart bursts out, only to be split by an axe, followed by another axe swinging at an hourglass, which freezes time around a drifting balloon. Suddenly, a hook hand rises, clutching a paintbrush. See, now the numbers aren't just digits, they're a crazy scene you'll never forget. Creating a picture from the story. Now, we can even visualize it. Just ask ChatGPT. Create an image based on this story. If you're not satisfied with the picture, you can generate a few more until you get the perfect one. In the meantime, you can use specialized services like Leonardo.ai for image generation, which can deliver even better results based on your prompt. I was working with the Phoenix generation model, but feel free to experiment with other models to see which one works best for you. Creating a song to memorize numbers. To begin with, let's create lyrics for a song using ChatGPT with the following prompt. You can find it in the description of this video. Here's a result. Now, we're going to use these lyrics on Suno.com to create an actual song. Insert the generated lyrics. Choose your preferred music style, create the track, and enjoy the music.
Swung at the hourglass, paintbrush in hand, painted an egg so fast, bomb went off. Swan flew high, yacht sailed by, balloon reached the sky, bomb exploded, heart in a race, axe chopped trees, 2 axe in place, hourglass flip, balloon took flight, hung hand swirled, paintbrush in sight.
If this boosted your memory, smash, like, and subscribe. Coming next, sculpting the dream body with neural networks. Don't miss it. Parents, combine this video with how to develop your child. My circuits are cooling down for now. You've been upgraded. V loves ya.